All right, now I want to know who you are. This community will only become powerful if we know the people inside of it, and so feel free to post whatever you want or stay a fly on the wall, whatever you feel comfortable with. But we do have connection if you want. You can click the introduction post below and tell us as much as you feel comfortable sharing. And are you a classroom teacher, a private teacher, a parent, someone who's learning piano, or someone who's thinking about teaching? What brought you here? Tell us your favorite food. Tell us something that you love about yourself, and maybe a fun, quirky fact. And yes, I want to say something. I want you to say something you love about yourself because everybody should, right? Everybody should have that thing. You deserve to brag a little bit too. If you have something that you know so much about, humble brag. And then let's all be like, yeah, that's awesome that you know about that thing. That's awesome that you're awesome. Like or comment on at least 3 other introductions. I really believe that, again, we put into the world, and what we do put in the world comes back to us. Let's make sure nobody walks in this community and feels invisible. Let's make sure that we're taking that and let's grow as a community and be as active or not active as you want, but let's play that piano. Here we goes.